Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create worksheets in Canva step by step. Whether you're a teacher, student, tutor, or parent, Canva makes it easy to design professional and engaging worksheets for learning and classroom activities. So let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. On the Canva homepage, click the search bar and type worksheet. Press Enter, and Canva will display a large collection of worksheet templates for different subjects and grade levels. Now browse through the available templates and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. Next, start editing your worksheet. Replace the sample title with your own title and update the instructions so students know exactly what to do. Then edit the questions, exercises, or activities included in the template. You can add your own text, images, shapes, lines, tables, and other elements to create a worksheet that matches your lesson. If you want to make your worksheet more attractive, change the fonts, colors, and layout. Canva also provides thousands of icons, illustrations, and educational graphics that you can drag and drop into your design to make learning more engaging. Once you've finished editing, carefully review your worksheet to make sure all questions, answers, and instructions are correct. Check the spacing and formatting so everything looks clean and easy to read. When your worksheet is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then click Download and choose PDF Print if you want to print high-quality worksheets. If you're sharing the worksheet digitally, you can also select PNG or PDF Standard. Finally, click Download, and Canva will save the worksheet to your computer. That's it. You've successfully created a custom worksheet in Canva. As you can see, Canva makes it simple to design educational worksheets without any graphic design experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and technology guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.